Hi, I'm Sylvia D'Silva. Welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year. This is my first video of the year and I thought let's get started with art materials. So if any of you are just starting out and want to buy stuff online and you have no idea where to buy from, I'm here to guide you. So this video is about the sellers that I trust on Amazon. It's very Amazon specific and I have made a list on online sellers before. So I'll have a link to that video in the description below. Just note that everything that I'm mentioning right now in this video will be just the sellers on Amazon. So the first one is Art Lounge. It is the best. You find any product from Art Lounge, you can trust it, you can buy it. And I've bought a lot of stuff from there and I won't even get into the list of the number of things I've bought from Art Lounge. I've bought calligraphy pens, nibs and Strathmore paper, Canson Mitent, pastel paper and so on. Art Lounge is very trustworthy. So the next seller that I always go to on Amazon is Hakimi Stationers. Now them I really trust. I bought a lot of stuff from Hakimi Stationers. I've bought Liquitex Basics paints, Liquitex gel mediums, Daler-Rowney inks, and the most art supplies that I've bought is from Hakimi Stationers, so they're very trustworthy on Amazon. The next seller is Appario Retail Private Limited. I'm reading from a list so I don't miss out anything. So they are again very trustworthy when it comes to I bought Faber-Castell graphite stuff from them. I bought Brustro watercolor papers from them, and yeah, you don't need to hesitate when you're buying from Appario Retail. Next on the list is Creative Hands Art Material. Again, you can trust them, you get good stuff. I bought most of my Brustro watercolor papers from them. I've also bought Schminke gouache. Like whenever you look for something, suppose you're looking for Faber-Castell graphite pencils and you just search and you find any of these sellers in that list, you can buy from there. I've also bought a lot of Derwent and graphite stuff from Cloudtail India. I bought my Pitt pastels from Manvi Stationers. I don't know if they still sell, but I just there were very few sellers at that time when I bought all these stuff. So right now in 2019 most of my stuff came from either Art Lounge, Creative Hands Art Materials, Hakimi Stationers and Appario Retail. I bought a set of Winsor Newton watercolor travel set from X Borders. Now the seller is very trustworthy, but they give it out to shipping to a company. I've totally forgotten the name, but it'll never arrive. The company which they use to ship it are the worst shippers I have ever seen. Just be careful when you're receiving anything from X Borders. Make sure you mention that it is shipping to India, and I just wouldn't recommend. So most of these stuff, Winsor Newton and other brands, are easily available in India now. So yeah, I would say just don't go for anything shipping from abroad unless you know what's shipping company they're gonna use. I bought my polychromos from Art Track. Now there are several others, so I don't know which one to recommend. So there you go. I'm sure you know which ones my favorite are. Hakimi Stationers definitely comes on top along with Art Lounge. Most of my stuff comes from those sellers. Followed by Creative Hands Art Materials and Appario Retail Private Limited. And then you can just go through all the others which I have listed. All of them are listed in the description below. So let's acquire some art supplies and start painting. You will also notice that my studio appears different. That's because I just moved into a different place. I'm not gonna bore you with another studio tour, so don't worry about it. You will probably be also hearing a lot of train noise in the background because the railway track is like just there, it's very noisy. I will try my best to eliminate those and edit those out. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon. I've also started a new newsletter. If you want to sign up for that, you can go ahead to my website and sign up right there. The advantage of signing up to my newsletters is you get updates about my blog posts, my videos, and any offers on new paintings that I'm making, all in one place, in one email. And I'm not gonna spam you. I'm just probably gonna send one email per week or lesser. So you can easily go ahead to my website. The link is in the description below. Subscribe to my newsletter and stay amazing.